Ha? Alam ko, tumatawa kayo dyan. Tinatawanan niyo yung English ko. Where are belly button? Gan ka siguro ay. Sige, magkapangutanag anang about part of the body of... It's okay, you're doing good. Yeah, it's true. Can I give you number? No, I can't live in my country. I can live in my country because I was born in Philippines, so I can't live in my country. I love my country. I am proud to be a Filipino. Yeah. Soner, you're doing? Yeah, you're doing. Soner, hello, Soner. What is my mind now? My mind is also bleeding. Can I come to meet you? If you want to meet, if you want to see me, so you come in the Philippines. Soner, kumusta ka? Oh, hello! Magandang umaga, Soner. Mabuti. Yeah, mabuti. I'm good. Ikaw, kumusta ka, Soner? Magandang umaga sa'yo. Thank you so much for watching. Soner. Yan, maraming salamat sa panonood. Maraming salamat sa mga lahat ng nanonood ng ating channel, guys. Yeah. Oh, walang anuman. Walang anuman, Soner. Walang anuman is meaning is you're welcome in English. Where is Jason? You did not comment in. I can see the comment section. Jason, where are you? Are you there? Oh, you look tasty. Oh, you see my videos? Cooking? Yeah. Thank you, Jason, for watching my videos. Yeah. Yes, I'm enjoying myself while I'm watching you. Thank you. You're watching my videos. Yeah. Thank you so much, Jason, for watching. Yeah. Jason. Guys, Jason is a good man. Yeah. Slim. Nice. I'm slim, my body. Like this. See. Like my leg too. It's pushing. God bless you. God bless you.